Number 3 wants us to find the graph of cotangent of x over 4. So the period, because of this x over 4, it's actually like a 1/4 times x. The period is going to be pi divided by 1/4, which is actually 4 pi because you multiply by the reciprocal. And this is not going to be flipped because there's no negative in front of the cotangent. So if I graph this on my calculator, I want to type in y1 is equal to, I don't really have a cotangent button on here, but I do know that the cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent. So if I type in 1 over tangent of x over 4, so that should give me the correct graph. And it looks like this. So a lot of these graphs sometimes don't even look like the basic graph of the trig function, but really that's because we're graphing everything now from 0 to 2 pi, and by changing the periods it does kind of change the way the function looks on this window.